how to tie a tie, how to use chopsticks or make slime or beat, whatever that is. We're all graduates of YouTube University, and to be fair, a lot of my favorite life hacks have come from the world's favorite video platform. But when it comes to the professional CAD skills that you actually need for your career, learning on YouTube kinda sucks. Here's 3 reasons why and how you can avoid them. Reason number 1. Everyone on YouTube is an expert. But are they really? As the old saying goes, there's more than one way to skin a cat. But certainly there must be some cat skinning strategies that are more effective than others, right? There has to be some industry standard cat skinning technique. And also maybe we shouldn't be skinning cats at all. My point is, there are a lot of bad habits that can develop when it comes to learning a technical skill like CAD, especially on a platform like YouTube where they aren't really too concerned with the credentials of their instructors. Here at SolidProfessor, we develop our curriculum side by side with industry experts who actually have industry experience and the certifications to back it up. So you'll learn the correct techniques and the best practices the first time around and avoid those major skill gaps that often develop in self-taught CAD users. Reason number 2, ads. Is there any better way to break your concentration than an unskippable ad every 5 minutes? Or how about some guy trying to sell you a $2,000 beginning course every 5 minutes? Or how about me suggesting that you like and subscribe for new CAD tips and tricks that are hand-produced and selected by our same team of experts that develops our full-length curriculum? Do it. Do it now. See? It's terrible. I know it. You know it, but we deal with it because either we have to or it's what we're used to. But on the SolidProfessor platform, you'll find literally thousands of expertly crafted lessons across a massive spectrum of both CAD and engineering subjects. This includes the biggest programs in CAD like SolidWorks, Inventor, AutoCAD, you name it, as well as a lot of other subjects like simulation and manufacturing and everything in between. And all of this is offered without a single ad. The lessons themselves are neatly divided into short segments, which is perfect if you have a microscopic attention span like me. You can learn as much or as little as you want in any given session. And if you're just looking for a quick solution, you can always search by subject. Reason number 3. Did you actually learn anything? Now, if you're like me, you've probably finished a YouTube tutorial at least once or twice, only to realize that you learned nothing. And that's fine if it's a video on, how to make slime, but when it comes to professional skills that you'll be using throughout your career, retention, but even more importantly, application of those skills is critical. That's why our courses on SolidProfessor come jam-packed with practice exercises, quizzes, and a bunch of other helpful tools to give you the hands-on experience that's required to ensure you become proficient with the software. Now, if you happen to be a manager of CAD users, this can also be a great way to get new hires up to speed quickly and ensure the team is firing on all cylinders without any skill gaps. So, what's the catch? Now, hang on, don't run away yet. There's actually a decent chance that you have access to SolidProfessor already. We partner with SolidWorks resellers across the world and educational institutions across North America. So if you yourself or your employer uses SolidWorks, or if you're a student, check to see if you already have access to SolidProfessor so you can stop learning CAD on YouTube. However, if you don't fall into one of these categories, a SolidProfessor membership will run you just under $50 a month. And while that may be a bit more than your favorite video streaming service, it's astronomically more cost effective than any paid live CAD course that I'm aware of, which, by the way, you can't go revisit when you need a quick refresher. Now, I know I just spent the last however many minutes trashing YouTube, but the truth is we have a lot of really good videos here too, completely free. So if you're just into the tips and tricks and learning more about CAD and engineering in general, just like and subscribe and be a happy camper, because there's a lot more of those types of videos to come to this channel. And if you stick around, we'll be showing you how to get your hands on a copy of SolidWorks for less than the cost of a Netflix subscription. Seriously. For now though, if you want to learn CAD from the experts, go check out SolidProfessor or check out one of these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.